investing in crypto, NFTs or any other digital assets, but are you aware of the tax implication of your gain or even losses from these investments? So I am Bhavnish Mittal from tax team of Dewan and Chopra, and today in this video I will explain you about its taxation, reporting in ITR and common mistake you should avoid. So first question is, what is VDA? So as per section 247A of the Act, VDA includes blockchain based assets such as cryptocurrencies and the most famous one, Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs which are not fungible token or any other digital asset as may be prescribed by the government. Now let's talk about its taxation. So as per section 115 BWH of the Act, effective from financial year 22-23, prescribes a mechanism for computing income or loss from such transactions and taxation thereof. So for computing the income or loss from such transaction, no deduction shall be allowed from the sale consideration except for the cost of acquisition. So basically no expense shall be allowed except for your acquisition cost, and gain therefrom shall be taxed at the flat rate of 30%, and the tax applies regardless of whether the asset is held as a capital asset or as a business token trade. So also no loss from any other income head can be set off against such gain, and loss, if any, from the virtual digital asset transaction shall not be allowed to be set off or carry forward to any further assessment year. So basically means gain will be taxed, but losses from VDA transaction will be a dead loss, as it cannot be adjusted against any other income or it cannot be carried forward to any future assessment year. Now, are you not sure if you have made a virtual digital asset transaction during the financial year? Then you should check your form 26A. If TDS under section 194S is reflecting, then it means VDA transfer has occurred during the year. Under this section, the specified buyer has to deduct a TDS at rate 1% from the sale consideration and deposit with the tax authorities on your behalf. And as a seller, you can claim credit of such TDS, but the same is subject to reporting of such VDA transaction in your tax return. Now, as the tax return filing season for 2025-26 is underway, so it's crucial to understand how these assets have to be reported in the tax return and what information do we have to report. So the government in all the ITR forms except ITR 1 has included a special schedule VDA where you have to report each transaction individually and provide the following information like date of acquisition and date of sale, type of VDA, whether it is a crypto, whether it is an NFT or any other digital asset, cost of acquisition and sale consideration of such transaction, and nature of income. If you have hold such asset as a token trade, then it will be a business income, otherwise it will be a capital gain income. So, and even if you are in loss, then still you have to report it. VDA transactions are reportable in your tax return, but here what many taxpayers get it wrong. So they basically don't report small trades or losses and ignore TDS already deducted by exchanges, or believe that foreign exchange trades won't be tracked, but they will. Well, here's the reality. The income tax department is closely monitoring your VDA transaction, and any non-reporting or misreporting of such transaction could lead to penalties, specifically under section 270A of the Act, ranging from 50% to 200% of the tax evaded. So if you are investing in crypto, NFT or any other digital asset, stay compliant, stay informed, and don't risk your gains over simple reporting lapse. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share or reach out to us with your queries. Thanks.